Welcome back to Theresa's Deb. My name is Theresa and I'm very much alive. And if you're new here, welcome. I have an awful garbage mouth, and if you're not into that or weird shit in general, this is not the place for you. Feel free to exit out the video here. No harm, no foul, but I'll remember our time fondly. If you want to jump to the overall review of the products, I'll leave a time code down below. Feel free to jump ahead. So my background is going to be very different probably in each video until I move out of this fucking place. So I do apologize that it's just going to be different. And I also want to try to do shorter videos only because it's just easier for me to edit and blah, blah, blah. I do want to share some fun things that's been happening in my house. So if you're new here, hi, my house is haunted and it sucks. I think ever since I said out loud that I'm leaving, I don't know if the ghosts are really happy with that. They've become a little bit, I don't want to say terrifying. It's not terrifying, but it's more like, and like always scares the shit out of me. So where should I start? About maybe, I want to say like 2 weeks ago, I was asleep and I woke up and Alex, my husband, left for work, but on his side of the bed there was a black shadow sitting there. So that was, I'm home alone. So that was fun. Didn't really scare the fuck out of me too much, but enough for me to be like, oh, I'm up now. I don't need coffee. Thanks. After that, there have been just different things going on in my rooms. It'll sound like a bunch of shit is crashing. I go into the room, nothing is disturbed. The other thing is I have a bunch of boxes in my kitchen, and all day today it sounds like somebody's moving them. And then when I go out into the kitchen, there's nothing there because the boxes are undisturbed, and that is awesome. But the scariest thing though so far has been today. I have been tasked with doing laundry, and when I went downstairs, put everything in the washing machine, I came back upstairs, whatever, doing my own thing, living my best life, watching RuPaul's Drag Race because I'm not caught up. And I go back downstairs to take all the stuff out of the washing machine to the dryer. Now they're not next to each other, so I don't know, it's fucking Queens, what do you expect? So I have the washing machine at the back of the house, and then I have the dryer at the front of the house. As I was taking all the, wash from the washing machine to the dryer, it was fine, right? It was very quiet, nothing wrong. So then when I fucking put everything into the dryer, I happened to look to the left, and there was a black shadow just walking where I was, going into the room that had the washing machine, and it was fucking terrifying. I'm laughing because I don't want to cry, and I think ever since I said that I was moving, more stuff is starting to kind of like just happen. And I don't think they're happy with me leaving, and rightfully so. They're gonna have to take over the utilities, and they're probably really fucking pissed about that because fucking electricity is very expensive in New York. But holy shit, I've never wanted to leave someplace so much faster in my whole life, and it sucks because I'm the only one home right now, and Alex doesn't come home for a couple hours from now, so that's great. So I'm just gonna record this video and pray to God that Demon doesn't come here and fuck up my filming because I'm a busy lady, okay? Anyway, so that's my day, and not a fan at all. Yeah, so that's my day, and fuck, I fucking hate this place. I cannot wait to move. Oh my god, it never was like, it actually has never been this bad. Like, I've never felt scared or anything like that. A bunch of people have also died in this house, so that's great too. But it's just, it's unsettling. It's just fucking unsettling, so. Anyway, that's my day. How was yours? On today's video, we're going to be talking about 2 subscription boxes, Boxycharm, and we're going to be talking about Ipsy Glambag Plus because this is the first month that I have received an Ipsy bag, and I'm pretty fucking excited because I've heard nothing but good fucking things about it. But anyway, so if you're not familiar, Boxycharm is a monthly subscription box that is $21 a month. I believe actually it's 22 and change because of tax purposes. And Ipsy Glambag Plus is about $25 a month. So I am a Boxycharm member, and I'm also a BoxyLuxe member. So next month for June, because I'm just a glutton for punishment, that box is going to be about about $50, so it'll be $25 more than the Glambag Plus. I'm hoping the next couple of months I'm just going to pick one box because I think 2 boxes is a little bit excessive right now, only because I'm trying to save a little bit of money since we're moving and all that good stuff, and there are a lot of makeup releases that I want, like that goddamn olive palette. Holy fuck. So normally in my reviews I like to talk about each product and kind of make it like a really lengthy video. Just in keeping things short for myself, for editing Theresa, I'm just going to show you each product that I received in both boxes, and then I'm going to talk a little bit about the products that I did use, because I wasn't able to use all the products only because there's some things that, you know, I didn't want to open at the moment because I currently have 75 fucking mascara tubes open and I just didn't want to open one more. So Boxycharm's theme this month is Make Waves, and this is a fun little card that you get within the box. I have no idea where the actual box is, so fuck it, I'm just going to hold products up. So the first thing that you get in the box is from GLAMGLOW, and it is the Gentle Bubble Daily Conditioning Cleanser. Ooh. The next thing is from Alamar Cosmetics, and is the Colorette Blush Trio, which is this little guy right here. And then here are the blushes that are inside. And this is actually for fair to light skin. Finally, Boxycharm didn't fuck that up for me, so that's great. The next thing is from Ciate London, and is the Lustre Cream Eyeshadow. And this is pretty much comparable to like Stila, Magnificent Metals, that whole fucking liquid eyeshadow line. The next product is from Dose Colors, which is what I currently have on my lips right now. It's Whore Red Lips. It's the liquid matte lipstick. I do have other products over and underneath it, so, but majority of the color is this guy. And last but certainly not least, it's not Boxycharm until they send you some disgusting fucking eyeliner that never works. This is from Bodyography, and it's basically a vegan cruelty-free lip pen. Oh, it's a lip pencil! Oh, bitch! Why did I think it was a fucking... Wait a second, I'm confused here. Wait, whoa. Okay, this is... Okay, so it says Bodyography eyeliner pencil. However, it says this vegan cruelty-free Bodyography lip pencil is antioxidant rich, infused with coconut oil and vitamin E. The smooth yet long-wearing formula glides on effortlessly, delivering durable pigment that can frame, fill in, and define those lips. This is an eye pencil, though. What the fuck? All right. You know what? I could be mad. It's just Boxycharm's charm. They just fuck things up all the time. It's great. Love it. Anyway, so those are the products that I received from Boxycharm. Now for the Ipsy Glambag Plus, which you get this little fold out thingy here, which is actually quite nicer than the Boxycharm one, and for $3 more, it's pretty fucking cool. So the first thing that I got in this month's box is actually from Wander Beauty, and I was able to create both of these looks with this palette as well as a Ciate liquid eyeshadow. The next thing is from TOKYOMILK, and it is their lip gloss. I actually currently have that on my lips right now, hence the beautiful fucking shine. The next thing is Go-To Face Hero. I'm actually excited to try this because I need hydration and my skin is very fucking dull, so I'm excited to try this. The next thing is from Illamasqua, and it's the Icon High Volume Intense Curl Mascara. Packaging wise, this looks like a space age dildo and I'm living for it. And last but certainly not least, I have a Illamasqua Lip Coloring Pencil Duo in the shades Lust and Media. So let's talk about the Alamar Cosmetics Blush Trio. You know, for first impressions, I actually like it a lot. And I use these 2 shades right here, so let me actually just throw you in some quick swatches. Also, don't mind my hand in a second. You'll see what I'm talking about. There are some fucking swatches that I can't get rid of, bitch. So this one is Castaway, the middle one is Parisio, and the last one is Scorcher. Scorcher is a little bit too orange for me. What I actually did on my cheeks today was combine these 2 colors right here to kind of give me this fun little whatever this is. Oh my god, I look so crazy. I think it's just the Whore Red lipstick, but whatever. Anyway, the blush is very creamy. It's very pigmented. However, there is a little bit of kick up when you are picking up the product with a brush. Not the end of the world, but just something I want to throw out there. This is actually supposed to be for fair skin. Okay. I don't know if I completely agree with that, but whatever. Anyway, so this is what I did today. I actually threw some bronzer on first, you know, and I look a little Campbell Soup kitty today, I'm not gonna lie. I didn't think that I went in with a complete heavy hand, but a little bit of product does go a long way. So if you're thinking of building this shit up, I can't imagine what kind of clown you would look like, but it's not bad though. So I am going to utilize it more, and then in a future video, I'll kind of let you know if I'm still in love with it and blah, 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 blah. But so far so good though. I'm not upset that I got this. So the next thing I'm going to talk about is this Ciate London Eye Lustre Cream Eyeshadow. So I have it on this eye currently. Basically, it's just all over my lid. I threw in some Fenty Pink liner, that salmon color that's like so fuck me up good. I love this. This is actually really nice. And it dries down super fast. So let me throw you a little swatch here. fucking crazy. Honestly, this is the product that surprised me the most because it is so fucking pretty. I really did enjoy my time with this product. It dries down really fast. I didn't feel like that it was messy. It wasn't overly glittery. There was no mess. There was no fallout on my face. There wasn't like any excess sparkles or anything like that. It's just a really nice fucking color. However, this shit does stain my hand, and I'll prove that to you in a second. So I'm gonna try to keep this swatch on very quickly, but look at that fucking shine now. It's so pretty. On my lid, it's super, super fucking comfortable. It actually, I think because it's kind of with all the pink, it just kind of has this little bit of a pink vibe. But as you can see from my hand and from like the light hitting it, it has this purple to gold moment. But I definitely like that on the lid. It actually looks a little bit more pinky gold. It's actually a pretty cool product. Also, I like that the liner kind of works really great on top of it. Honestly, Ciate eyeshadows, you know, they're kind of hit or miss for me. I never really liked them too much, but this I could fuck with, and I could kind of get behind it. And this has literally only been on my hand for like maybe 2 or 3 minutes. Yeah. Oh, by the way, there's a Fenty eyeliners. God damn it. So this is going to be really fun later when I take it off my eyelid. So that's great. It could be worse. It could have been like the Jeffree Star Blue Blood palette, so I won't complain. And last but not least, the product I have on my lips is the Dose of Colors Liquid Matte Lipstick. So this I was excited to try. You know, whore red, I'm starting to realize is a little bit of my color. So I don't mind looking like a whore. I actually enjoy it. So anyway, let me zoom you right in. Also, don't mind my lips. I used a lip pencil and I think I drew them too big. So I don't want you to be confused, bitch, because my lips are not this big ever. They're like little fucking chicken lips. So anyway, this is what it looks like. This is definitely a DSL moment. Looking for a date. I like this lipstick. It's very nice. When I had it just as a matte formula, it was very comfortable, but it did feel a little drying. So I kind of tainted a little bit only because I threw the gloss on top of it, but I actually like it with the gloss because I just like that, you know, shiny red whore lip. I love that. Anyway, so this is pretty cool. I don't know how often I'm going to be wearing it because, yeah, I'm usually a neutral ass hoe, so I'm gonna have to step out of my comfort zone to, you know, mean business. But I kind of liked it. This is like a powerful bitch lipstick. I'm into it. So anyway, not bad. Not bad, Boxycharm, not bad. Now on to Ipsy Glambag Plus. The first one is this TOKYOMILK lip gloss, and it's fine. We'll zoom you right back in. I think it offers a beautiful shine. However, I will say though, I keep doing this because it's like bleeding in the corners of my mouth, and I don't know if that is the lipstick or the gloss that's doing that. So I'm trying to like just be conscious of it so I don't want fucking Joker mouth. So I don't like wearing red lipstick. It's so fucking messy. But anyway, I really like the lip gloss though. It's not overly sticky. So this is gonna be something that I'm gonna throw in my bag. Not bad at all. I've never actually tried anything from TOKYOMILK, but not bad. Not bad for a first impression. So the next product I want to talk about is the Wanderess Seascape eyeshadow palette. So these are the 2 looks that I created. This is what the palette looks like overall. So basically this little guy is actually really nice. It's pretty compact. Actually fits the aesthetic of the other Wander Beauty palette that I have. So this is the top row. Very beautiful shimmer shades. I will say the quality of the shimmer shades are kind of interesting. They're a little dusty and very glittery, but when used with setting spray, I think they kind of stay intact. However, there is quite a bit of fallout with all the shades that I'm going to show you. But these are very, very pretty. And this is the bottom row. Pigmentation-wise, they are super beautiful. So these are the 2 eye looks that I created. However, on this lid is the Ciate ones, but everything else is from this brand. I really like both of these looks. I think they came out pretty decent. And for a first impression, I'm actually pretty impressed with this little palette. It's pretty good. Is it something that I'm probably going to be using every day? No, but I think it's actually a very good travel piece. I think just in time for the season, they're going to be colors that I'm going to be using. My biggest complaint though with this palette, other than not having like another matte option, the fallout on this guy is a little severe for every shade that I've ever used in this palette, and the cleanup is awful. So this is the kind of palette that you're either going to have to lay on a shitload of powder underneath your eyes to catch that stuff, which I did a little too late, or you're going to just have to do your eyes first and then your base later, because the blue in particular, I feel like I see a blue cast right here. I tried desperately to clean it up, but it looks like somebody punched me in the fucking face. But what else is new? I think they worked very well with the liquid Ciate eyeshadow as well, so colored me impressed. I really like it. So good job, Ipsy. And last but certainly not least, the last thing I can talk about is the Illamasqua lip coloring pencil. So again, I'll zoom you right in to make me feel uncomfortable about my mouth. But I actually drew my lips pretty big today. Made myself look like a fucking clown, but it's okay though. Pencils weren't that bad. It was the first time I actually used a proper lip pencil and not like a cream lip pencil. So I thought it was going to be pretty rough on my lips, that it was going to tug, but it didn't though. It actually created a nice line, and it actually made me look like I got filler. And that's what life's all about. Pretending to look like you had work done. So I'm actually kind of a fan of these little pencils. Like I mentioned, I only use the shade Lustre because it just went really good with a Dose of Colors liquid lipstick. But the other shade though, it's very, very pretty. So let me actually swatch it in my hand. So this one is Media and this one is Lustre. They were very, very creamy, which I was kind of surprised about because I really thought it was going to be very, very tough and pulling on my lips, but it didn't though. It was actually pretty nice and creamy. Am I going to go out and buy a bunch of these lip pencils? Probably not, only because I'm not really a big lip pencil person, but that could change as I get older and my lips start to disappear. Can't wait for that little fun thing about growing older.
Yay! So fucking exciting.
So those are the contents that I received in my Boxycharm and my Ipsy Glambag Plus. If I had to pick between the two, fuck, I actually really like both of them. I think I'm gonna break even this month. They were both pretty fucking good. Kudos to me. So let me know down below if you received any of these boxes this month and if you got the same items or if you got a completely different variant. Please let me know because I love hearing from you guys. On that note, I want to say thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate it as always. Feel free to like, comment, hit that subscribe button. It's free. And hit that bell icon for notification of all my future posts. Follow me on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, out in the streets, in life, on Discord, as well as the Miserable 3 podcast that's on Thursdays at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. All those things will be linked down below. Feel free to come check us out. And yeah, I guess that's about it. I will see you little pumpkins later. Bye.